Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a 3D rotating logo animation in DaVinci Resolve. So to do this, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is to start like this. So you'll have to go to Fusion with your logo, and then you will have to basically place your media 1, and then you'll find your tools by going to Shift Space if you're using Mac, using Image Plane 3D, and then you'll also have your Duplicate 3D one, Transform 3D one, and Render 3D one. And then from there, you will have to separate your media 1, media out, and then connect your render right here. So now you have this. So to get a better look on this, you will have to do the Transform 3D. So now you will see everything right here. So from there, it's pretty simple. So here you have your 3D, your transform, and your duplicate. So here in your duplicate, place in 50. So this will represent your depth basically of your logo. So in your translation, you do your offset 0.02, and then test that with the copies right here. So the more thicker if you want. So I'm just gonna go with the thin 123 will do. So here in your transformation 3D, you will have to do your rotation now. So that seems funny to look at. So let's just place it at 0. So here you'll just mess with your y-axis, to be honest. So place your keyframe in the very first part of the video and then mark it. Go to the very end and then just scroll it like somewhere like this. And then so once we play the video, it goes like this. It's just that simple. So now you have a 3D rotating logo of your animation in DaVinci Resolve. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.